Cheerful. He's cheerful and always makes people smile. Gloomy. She's gloomy and hardly ever smiles. Honest. He's honest and always tells the truth. Dishonest. He's dishonest and often hides the facts. Polite. She's very polite and always says please and thank you. Rude. He was rude to the staff and didn't even say thank you. Talkative. She's very talkative and can chat for hours. Quiet. He's quiet and prefers to listen rather than talk. Shy. He's too shy to speak in front of a crowd. Bold. She's bold and isn't afraid to share her ideas. Loyal. He's a loyal friend who's always there for me. Disloyal. He is disloyal and betrayed my trust. Generous. She's generous and often donates to charity. Selfish. He's selfish and only thinks about himself. Friendly. He's really friendly and always smiles when she meets new people. Unfriendly. She's unfriendly and doesn't like talking to strangers. Funny. She's funny and makes everyone laugh at the office. Serious. He's a serious person and doesn't joke around much. Brave. He is brave enough to speak up when something is wrong. Cowardly. He is too cowardly to stand up against injustice. Outgoing. She's outgoing and loves meeting new people. Introverted. He's introverted and prefers staying at home alone. Sensible. He's sensible and makes practical decisions. Silly. He's a bit silly and often makes decisions without thinking them through. Reliable. She's reliable, so you can always count on her. Unreliable. He's unreliable, so we can't trust him. Patient. She's very patient and doesn't mind waiting. Impatient. He's impatient and hates waiting in long lines. Lazy. She's too lazy to get her work done. Hardworking. She's hardworking and always finishes her work on time. Optimistic. She's optimistic and thinks everything will turn out fine. Pessimistic. She's pessimistic and expects things to go wrong. Curious. He's curious and loves learning new things. Uninterested. She's uninterested and doesn't care much about anything. Sensitive. She's sensitive and gets upset easily. Insensitive. He's insensitive and doesn't seem to care about others' feelings. Independent. He's very independent and likes to do things by himself. Dependent. She's dependent on her parents for everything. Smart. He's smart and can see through people's lies. Naive. He's naive and easily believes whatever he's told. Helpful. She's helpful and always offers to lend a hand. Unhelpful. He's unhelpful and never offers to lend a hand. Jealous. He gets jealous when others succeed. Admiring. She's admiring of others' successes and celebrates their achievements. Modest. She's modest and never brags about her achievements. Arrogant. He's arrogant and thinks he's better than everyone else. Trustworthy. He's trustworthy, and you can count on him completely. Untrustworthy. He's untrustworthy, so you can't rely on him at all. Considerate. He's considerate and always thinks about how others feel. Inconsiderate. He's inconsiderate and never cares about others' feelings. Determined. He's determined to succeed in his career. Indecisive. She's indecisive and can never make up her mind. Generous. He's generous and loves giving to charity. Stingy. He's stingy and never wants to spend money. Organized. He's organized and keeps everything in its place. Disorganized. He's disorganized and his room is always messy. Careful. She's careful and always pays attention to detail. Careless. He's careless and often makes silly mistakes. Wise. He's wise and gives great advice. Foolish. He's foolish and often acts without thinking. Empathetic. She's empathetic and can easily understand how others feel. Apathetic. He's apathetic and doesn't seem to care about others' problems. Tolerant. She's tolerant of different opinions and cultures. Intolerant. She's intolerant and doesn't accept others' differences. Affectionate. He's affectionate and loves giving hugs. Cold. He's cold and doesn't show much emotion.